Hey everyone, Andrew Ford here. I want to show you how I edit a photo using frequency separation. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate the background twice by hitting Command J. On the lower layer, I'm going to rename that Low. On the upper layer, I'm going to rename that High. On this lower layer, I go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and I choose a 4.0% pixels. Here's where the magic happens. On the high layer, enable that, go to Image, Apply Image. Under Layer, select Low, Blending Mode, choose Add, Scale 2, Offset 0, and make sure this invert is ticked and hit OK. Change the blend mode from normal to linear light. In between the high and low layer, I like to put a blank layer, and then I'll clip that down to the low layer. And now we can begin our retouching. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I'm going to grab our healing brush tool, and I'm just going to start to smooth out some of the colors here. Sampling from all around. All right, if we toggle this on and off, you can see what we've done so far. Some blemishes you can't get rid of on this lower layer, so you got to go to High, change to Current Layer, and then you'll be able to get rid of these blemishes. I'm going to go back to my lower layer, change to Current and Below, and then just keep blending in some of the color. Alright, so I'm not going to do the whole photo. I just want to keep this nice and short. I'm going to group these together and just toggle it on and off so you can see the progress we've made. I should mention this is for 16-bit. If you want to do 8-bit, I will post another video and show you how to edit this in 8-bit. Be sure to check out the comments. I have an action saved, which will do this. Will set you up with the layer 1, and the low layer with a 4% Gaussian blur. And that's about it. Hope you enjoyed this quick, simple tutorial.